Well, folks, we got our radio for the truck. That box came all the way from China. I think I need to sanitize it, but I'm probably too late since I already brought it in the house. Really didn't expect this to come from China, but it did. So I guess I'm going to get some sanitizer, wipe it and myself down, and do an unboxing. Stand by. Okay, there we go. Sanitize, you know. I'd imagine, though, everything that was on this box after being shipped from China and going through 3 weeks of travel is probably not shit on here. Which I will put it in myself. But I need to put it in quickly because, as I said, this came from China, and I need to make sure that it works. What? We got a Phoenix Android radio for the Expedition. Not Expedition, for the F150. Let's see, is it anything like I expected? There's something missing here. I ordered extra stuff. I ordered a camera. Oh, here we go. Let's see, I ordered a camera. I think this is it. Yep, there's the camera. I don't know if that's the rear or the back camera. But I ordered 2 cameras. One for the front, one for the back. And what else did I order? I have to look at my order sheet. These are all the cables. Thought I ordered a back and a front camera. GPS, compass, active antenna. I'm gonna see what all I ordered because I don't remember now. View your order. Here's what I ordered. I ordered, this shit was a ripoff. I shouldn't have got that. But I didn't pay attention to the order. This route shipping protection. Yeah, whatever. All right, I got a universal backup camera, reverse camera, rear view, CCD camera, Android radio specific USB, HD, DVR, dash camera. So I should have a dash camera. Here's the main unit. And I ordered this protection plan. So It is a 3-year repair plan with accident protection. So I'm protected if this thing blows up, don't work, or whatever. Okay. So I should have 2 cameras in here. I should have 2 cameras in here. And I think I do have 2 in here. Oh. Is this it? Yeah, this is a dash cam. I might have to have this professionally installed. I'm gonna really run the wires professionally. I'm gonna have wires everywhere. Don't lose nothing. What is this? There's some splice wires here. This looks like can't be power because it should already have power. So, and this is the setup. I don't think I should have got that DVR function. All right. Let's look at the main events. Is that all in there? So I probably need to have, damn, I don't want to spend some more money. I got to spend money now. Because I really think I need to have the I should have the AC already working before I put this in. Here we go. That's it. This is the unit. Should just slide right in. I wish this would have been carbon fiber. Maybe I can get somebody to wrap it. Because I'm going with a carbon fiber black thing on my interior. So yeah, this is it. Phoenix Android radio. So I hate to get stuff like this when I have other stuff to do on my truck. I don't want them to take this out once I put it in. But then again, I'm kind of in a situation where I need to get this in and make it work. But I can't really, I don't say it, I mean, I can afford to get my AC fixed, but I don't really want to spend the money because it's starting to get cold. So realistically, I'm probably gonna drop this in my truck today and worry about the AC later. Because I've been waiting on this to upgrade my truck. You know, put a new motivation into getting the truck back right. Because I've been kind of letting the truck slack. You know, it needs a little bit of work on the front end. So probably what I'm gonna do is drop my radio in there, make sure this works, so I don't have no problems with the vendor. And then I'm gonna go get the suspension all beefed up like it should be. And then we'll fix the AC. And there you go. Got the radio.